Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use our image copyright checker tool. So you simply point this tool at any website, it will download every page, and then it will download every image on every page, and it will check to see if there's any copyright information in the image's metadata. So whenever you create an image, you have the option in most image tools of adding metadata into it, and many people who take high quality pictures want to protect their intellectual property, their images, with a copyright notice, and they add that into the image metadata. So when that image is downloaded and put somewhere else, that copyright metadata is still within the image. Now, the reason you want to check if a website you own or a website you're responsible for has images that belong to other people and have copyright information in their metadata is because there are companies out there that scan the internet for people who are using images that don't belong to them and are copyrighted to someone else. And once these companies find people who are either purposely or often accidentally using someone else's images, especially when they have copyright information in the image, when they find them, they basically try and extract money from them legally. They normally sue them for damages on behalf of the original image owner. So often I see people buying a website or starting a new job where they manage someone else's website, and the previous person will have just taken images from Google image search, uploaded them to that website, and then the people who are now responsible for that website only learn about this when they get basically almost like a cease and desist letter threatening legal action. So this is really something you want to stay on top of. So let's go through the options here. So pretty simple. You have the website you want to scan for copyrighted images, and then if you have your own copyright metadata on the images, then you can add that here, and that will be excluded from the results. We can also exclude common copyright metadata that's added when you save an image. Sometimes when you save an image in certain Apple tools, it will add an Apple Inc. copyright into it, and the same with Adobe, so we want to exclude that information. And then finally, only show each image once. That just makes things easier to see the results. And then here, so if you own the website and you know how many concurrent connections we can scan it with, then feel free to crank that up to whatever. If you're unsure, I just lower it down to 5 so the website doesn't block the IP address that we're scanning from. So now we've put in some options. We'll start a scan of a few random websites, and then we'll come back and go over the results. So I just did a scan of a few random websites, and you can see here there's an image with a copyright bit of metadata in it. I'm pretty sure that person has nothing to do with that website. So the image is here, and it's on this page, and this is the data within it. So that's probably, they're probably accidentally using an image that probably doesn't belong to them. So let's click through a few others. So here's another one I randomly scanned, and you can see it's got a copyright for this website, which I don't think has anything to do with that website. And here's another one, Assurance website. I don't think this has anything to do with this website. And then finally, another one I scanned. You can see here on Social Sprout, they're using an image that's copyrighted by Flux Software, so they definitely don't have anything to do with each other. So hopefully you can see that this tool is super simple to use. You point it at your website, It'll download all the images and it will extract all the copyright related metadata out of them, and then you can check if you're using any images that you shouldn't be using to help avoid any sort of fine or legal action. And that concludes our video. As always, thank you for watching.